late? Good afternoon once again. Good afternoon, Kao Klong, Tong, and Opal.
Good afternoon.
Good
Okay,
afternoon.
so yes, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Okay, so you have class before this one? No, because
Morning,
today.
teacher.
Good afternoon. Because today you are late. Okay, almost all of you are late. But anyway, it's just fine. So we will continue with what we have been discussing last meeting. Okay, so last meeting we started regarding similarity, and that was all about scale. Okay, that was all about scale, that we can either enlarge an object or reduce from the actual object and then in the drawing. Okay, so that was scale that we have been discussing last time. So if 10 meters in the actual, we can draw that one as 1 centimeter in a scale in our drawing. Okay, so or if that is a very small thing like a virus and you want to make it bigger into the drawing, so that is enlargement. You enlarge the small one into a bigger one in the picture. Okay, so using scale. Now this time we will continue, but we will now focus on similar triangles. Okay, so when we talk of similar, it will be almost the same. Okay, similar is equivalent or the same, and we will have to do similar triangles. Okay, so we all know what is a triangle. Okay, good afternoon, Shukun and Yuwa. Okay, so as I've said, we will have to do similar triangles. How to identify, how to test, or how to find out whether that triangle is similar or not. Okay. Now, if we recall, we will have also to remember Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, so that's very important because some triangles, in some triangles, we will apply Pythagoras theorem also. So recall that one, that the longest side, which is the hypotenuse squared, equals to the sum of the two sides a square plus b square. Okay, so again, that is the Pythagoras theorem. C square equals a square plus b square. Okay, so take note of that one because that will apply in our similar triangles also. Okay, so okay, so that is okay. So let us now start, and I will share to you our discussions for this afternoon. Okay, but you are so late, more than 10 minutes, I think, or almost 10. Okay, but anyway, just fine. So we have here all about, okay, one moment. Oh my God. Okay, so again, we will have to discuss these similar triangles. Okay, so there we go. Similar triangles and their properties. Okay, Taro, you read first the definition of, okay, similar triangles and their properties.
Similar
Okay, please.
triangle and their properties. Definition: two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angle are equal. Corresponding sides are proportional. It follows from definition that two triangles ABC and DEF are similar. IF.
Okay, so if we talk about similar triangles, then we can say that they are similar if their angles are corresponding. Okay, if each angle corresponds with the other. Take note, if we say similar triangles, therefore it is having, or if we say similar triangles, we compare two triangles. Okay, because we cannot compare only one, so that is why we compare two triangles. Okay, so when we say that the two triangles are similar, then their sides, okay, or this their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so that means to say that their angle, their corresponding angle should be equal, so that we can say that they are similar, or their corresponding sides are proportional. What do we mean by proportional? Proportion, ratio and proportion. So if we say one side is 4 centimeter, then we can say that the other side is 8 centimeters. So they are proportional to each other. Okay, so we will learn much more of that as we go along with our discussion. Okay, we will take this one by one so that we will understand also. Okay, next, criteria for similarity of triangle. So how do we make, or how do we compare so that we can say that the two triangles are similar? Okay, there are three tests in which we are going to identify that the two triangles are similar. So there are three steps, and you can see that one in your screen. The first is AAA, or angle to angle test. So that means that we are looking at all the angles of the two triangles, so that we can say that they are similar. Now take a look on the illustration. There, this angle, okay. Okay, so again, this angle is corresponding to this angle. Okay, and this angle also, okay, this angle also corresponds to the other angle of the triangle. So as we can say, angle to angle test. So if two sides, if two angles correspond with the angle of the other, then they are similar, just like on this illustration. Okay, so one angle corresponds to the other angle, so they are of course similar. Okay, this angle corresponds also with the other angle of the triangle. So the two triangles as therefore are congruent, or are similar to each other. Using the angle test, we consider the two angles of the two triangles that we are comparing. Okay, next is side, SSS. Okay, What is SSS? Side, side, side. So therefore, the first is angle. Now the second is side. So in this, we now consider the length of each side, whether they corresponds with each other. If they are proportional, then we can say that they are similar triangles. Okay? But anyway, we will discuss that one later on, one by one. Okay. Next is SAS. This is another test so that we can say that the two triangles are similar. S, side, angle, side. Okay? Side, angle, side. So we consider in this topic, we consider one side and okay, we consider one side plus angle plus the other side. Okay, so this one and then plus angle and then plus the other side. Okay, so just like the other angle also, or the other triangle, we identify it. Okay, but anyway, as I have said, we will discuss this one by one. Okay, so let's now go to our discussion proper. Now remember the three tests in order for, or so that we can say that the two triangles are similar. Angle to angle to angle test. AAA, side to side to side test, and side angle side test. Okay. So before we continue, okay, before you continue, Cao Klong, do you get now the three tests? What is the purpose for that, Cao Klong? The purpose of the three tests, yes, is to determine if the triangle are
the same.
Okay, that is to determine if the two triangles are the same, or we say similar or congruent. Okay, so they are just same. They are different terms having one meaning also. Congruent or similar. Okay, so same meaning. Okay, so as I have said, we have that three tests in order for us to be able to identify whether the two triangles are similar or not. Okay, so we continue. We will discuss it one by one. Okay, the first is the AAA, or angle to angle criteria. Okay, you read, Tong. Tong, please unmute and read. Yes, Tong. OMG. Tong, are you there? Hello? Tong? Okay, Shukun, you read the AA criteria, or angle to angle criteria. Shukun?
If two triangle corresponding angle are equal, then the corresponding sides are into same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. This is also called AAA, angle criterion.
Criterion. Okay. So as we have said, if the angles of the triangles are equal or are corresponding, so they are what we call as a similar triangle. Okay, now take a look on that example. Two triangles A, B, C, and triangle D, E, F. Okay, so that we can say that they are congruent or similar triangles, then we consider the angle. Okay, so that we can say that they are similar, then therefore this angle corresponds with this angle. Okay, to make it similar, and this angle corresponds also to this angle. And lastly, the third angle corresponds to this one or equal to that angle, so that we can say that they are similar triangle. Okay, so that is angle to angle test in proving that they are equal or congruent triangle. Okay, so if we want to prove, we have here side AB over side DE. Okay, so we have here AB over DE, AB over DE, so that we have that angle. Okay, or equals to AC, side AC and side DF. Okay, and we have also side BC, which corresponds to side EF. Okay, so that is angle to angle test, AAA. Okay, so understand? Did you get Pooh? Yes or no, Pooh? Yes, Pooh, did you get? Taro, did you understand? Angle to angle test.
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. So that means, again, we consider the angles of the two triangles. Okay, so continue. Okay, so that is the explanation. Okay, the one that we show. Now, the next criteria is SSS criteria. So what does it mean? You read. Okay, Cao Klong, you read. If two triangles.
If in two triangles, side of one triangle are proportional to the side of other triangle, then the corresponding angle are equal, and as the two triangles are similar.
Okay.
It is also called SSS side relation.
Okay, so it is just easy to determine if they are similar triangle. If the two triangles are similar, we can use side, side, side. So that means if one side is proportional to the second triangle and the other side is proportional to the second triangle and the third side is proportional to the other triangle, then they are similar or congruent triangles. Okay, so to show, now take a look on that example. Okay, so you have there triangle ABC, okay, and triangle DEF. Okay, so this is just the same as we take out this triangle and put it here. Okay, so side, side, side test. Okay, so this side will be proportional to this side. Okay, that is the first test. If they are proportional, then we go to the next. This side is proportional to this side also. Okay, so if they are proportional, therefore they are congruent. And of course, the third side, okay, the third side will also be proportional to the side of the triangle. Okay. So in triangle DEF, draw a line so that DP, okay, so that means they are equal. Okay, so if we put that one in a proportional, AB, side AB is proportional to side DE. Okay, this side. Okay, so we make it clear so that it will be clear to you. Okay, so again, side AB is proportional to side DE. Okay, so that is the first test. Second, side AC is proportional to side DF. So side DF. Okay, and then side BC is, okay, this one, side BC is proportional to side EF. So based on that explanation, we can say that that triangle is similar or proportional to each other, or we can call it congruent. Okay, so that is one test in order for us to determine whether the two triangles are congruent or not, whether the two triangles are similar or not. Now take note, okay, I forgot. Take note, the symbol for similarity of the two triangle is this one. Okay, it is like an equal, but it has like a letter S at the top. Again, it is like an equal sign, equal, but it has like a letter S at the, okay, lying letter S at the top. That is the symbol for similarity, okay, or congruent. So that is the second test in order for us to identify whether the two triangles are similar or not. Okay, so that is also the explanation that we are discussing. Now, the third criteria, you read. Okay, so who would like? Okay, Taro, you read. Back to you, Taro.
Sss criteria if one angle of triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and the side including this angle are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. This is also called Sss side angle side.
Oh, why are you so in a hurry? Okay, so when we say side angle, side criteria, we consider one angle, okay, and is equal to the other angle of the second triangle. And one side is equal to the other side of the second triangle, and the other side is equal also or proportional to the other triangle. So that is side, angle, and side test of similarity. Okay, so if we consider, okay, that one, take a look. Oh, okay, there. If we try to identify whether the two triangles are similar or not, then we can apply and use side angle side test. Okay, so as you can see, if we try to prove it, okay, one angle is equivalent to the other and the two sides are equivalent also. Now here, consider you have their side AB, which is proportional to side DE. Okay, so that means side AB is proportional to side DE. And the other side, side AC, okay, AC is here, is also proportional to side DF. So this side. So that we can tell and we can say that they are proportional with each other. Because if the two sides are proportional, then their angle are equal. Okay, again, if the two triangles or the two sides of the triangles are proportional, then the angle formed by them are also equal. Okay, so this angle now here, okay, so this angle would be corresponding or equal to this angle because the two sides are equal. So therefore, again, the angle formed is similar or the same. Side angle that is formed and side test. SAS. Again, side angle form and the other side. So if this side and the other side is similar and that this side and the second side is similar, then the angle form is also equal. So therefore, side angle side test would prove that the two triangles are equal to each other. Okay. Okay, so that is side angle side test in order to prove that the two triangles are equal. Okay, before we continue, do you understand? Okay, show me your hands or you can click the thumbs up button in your screen so that I can tell that you understand. Take note, we discussed 3 tests in order for us to identify whether the two triangles are similar or not. Okay? Do you understand it, Shukun?
Yeah.
Yes. What about Kauklong?
Yes.
Taro, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Tong, do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Pooh, did you get? Pooh is not yet. Oh, Pooh is not here again. Okay, what about Opal and Piwa? Please try to understand also that one. Okay, so to sum it up, angle, form, and angle test, angle test, side test, and then side angle, form, and side test in order for us to identify whether our triangles are congruent or our triangles are similar or not. Okay, so to continue, okay, so we will end up until 20 because you are so late. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so here. Okay, so that is the one that we discussed. Side, angle, side. Now let's now go to our task. So please get your workbook so that we will answer it now. Okay. because many of you are not answering your workbook. So please take it out and open to page 78. Again, open it up and we will answer. Page 78 to 80. Okay, so okay. Page 78. Do you have it now? Page 78? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, number 1, page 78. Determine if the following pairs of triangles are similar. Okay? Now, consider letter A, triangle J, K, and L, and triangle N, P, and M. Again, triangle GKL and triangle NPM. Now, similar or not? Letter A, similar or not? Shukun, J, K, L. Take a look, and N, P, M. Similar or not? Yes.
Yes, similar.
Yes, okay. So the answer for letter A is similar. Okay, you write the word similar. You know the spelling, right? Okay, so okay, so let me have this. Okay, so number 1. Okay, so okay, so that is number 1. Okay, letter A is similar. Okay, so that is it. Letter B. What is your answer, Kau Klong? Letter B, similar or not? Kau Klong, triangle QRP and triangle SRP, similar or not?
Not similar.
QRP and S, R, and P. Similar or not?
Not similar.
Not similar. Okay. So letter B. Okay, where is that one? Letter B. The answer is not similar. Okay. Letter C. Okay, letter C. What is your answer, Taro? Letter C. Number 1, letter C. Similar or not?
Similar.
Okay, triangle UVZ.
Similar.
And UWY. Okay, so they are similar. So letter C is, okay, letter C is similar. Okay. How much time do we have? Okay, so I guess we need to end in that one, and please continue answering number. Okay. Continue answering number 2. Okay. number 2, page 79 and 80. Okay, so because you will have your class next, and I thank you all for your participation in our discussions of today. Okay, so that was a very good discussion of ours regarding similarity or regarding similar triangles, or we call also that one as congruent triangles. Okay, so thank you so much all, and then you prepare for your next subject. Again, you finish answering that activity. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much all, and you always keep safe. Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so welcome all. See you on the next.
See you.
Thank you.